Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is, get the time and date, Friday the 3rd of June. It's 9 o'clock in the evening. Been bad with my back last week or so I've not been out to water everything like I should. So I've just been out there now, watered all my pots and hanging baskets, which are looking a bit worse for wear. But the rest of the garden's starting to look nice. Here we have my perennial geranium, which is really looking well now. As we come round, beautiful tree lilies, probably 8 to 10 flower pods on each one of those. Come down there, just see my baskets and pots. We come down, this is my lupins, grown from seed last year. They'll just be getting ready to nip them back to about there. And they're just noticing some green fly on there. We have my daylilies here, just starting to get the first flower spikes on them, just there. Another lupin just popping through there. Another tree lily. Then we come around here. My beautiful, not lupins, hollyhock story. Now if I spin around here, look at these. These are the last of my columbines, aquiledias, Easter bonnets. And then, I just wanted to show you just from here, I'll be sitting down in the morning here with a cup of coffee. You just get the bees buzzing around you. Absolutely amazing. Here we are. Foxgloves digitalis. Opium poppy. Papaver somniferum there. We come round my peonies, which will be flowering over the next few days, which is great. Some more Easter bonnet. Hollyhocks at the back there. This absolute weed, sticky weed everywhere. To show you what I've been doing to get rid of that. Here we have beautiful delphinium. Absolutely love the colours there. Then we come down here. My tree, clematis, just getting ready to flower. Next to another beautiful lupin. Then we have my oriental poppy here, Diane Joyce. Absolutely stunning. This one's grown from seed, so it's my own little variety. Absolutely amazing. And just been getting rid of all the sticky weed here. As you can see there, I'm going to be planting some cosmos and some other things in there. So yeah, that's going to look really nice. Come around here. This is my peony. Wow, and that smells absolutely amazing. Look at the flowers on that. My bleeding heart that's just finished, just gone over. Next to a poppy there. We come down here. This is one of my favourite delphiniums at the moment. Each flower on here is absolutely amazing. And the height of it is probably 3.5, 4 foot high. And I just love the electric blue. The colour absolutely shines, shimmers. It's like oil on water. Absolutely amazing. So proud of that. That one's been grown from seed. And I have my lupins next to them. This is my white phlox, which will be flowering over the next few weeks. Some more sticky weed. If you let this take hold, it's a pain in the backside, I've discovered, to get rid of. But I'll get rid of it. We have down here, just beautiful bearded iris there. Next to a hollyhock. Then we have my planters and hanging baskets at the front there. These aquiledias. Once they get to this stage, they get chopped right down to the bottom then. Some more bearded iris just blowing in the wind here. Absolutely gorgeous. Next to Crocosmia, Lucifer that one's called. Then we have some more lilies here. Looking well. Here we have some Babascum Snow Maiden that I've just recently planted last week. Look at that foxglove there. So proud of that. Looks absolutely amazing, that pot. That was just self-seed. I thought I'll leave it. And it's in with some Agapanthus. Next to that, these are my really vibrant red Begonias that I prune back. Because these ones here grow taller than the rest. So I just keep pruning these back. Just so the rest catch up. Then you just see the water dripping out there. These haven't been watered for about 4 days, which you don't want to do in this weather. I said I've been laid up with my back, it's been killing me. So I've just come out, but even though they're looking a bit worse for wear, Give them a really good soak, so they will recover. Tomorrow they will look amazing again, which is a good thing about petunias. They're quite robust like that. Down here some cosmos that haven't been watered for 4 days either. They're only in small pots. They should recover well. Everything else seems to survive quite well actually. Here we have, this is a Dahlia, Lait, which is a big cactus variety, like dinner plate Dahlia. Next, that's my Agapanthus. Then we have my sweet pea frame here, which is looking really, really well. Then we come around here, some Dahlias, some more Agapanthus. This is my vertical planter, which I'm so proud of. All that is a piece of roofing batten in there, tied to the hanging basket. Some bricks at the bottom, a cross member just to keep it steady at the bottom there. Look at these. These are grown from seed, these petunias. The petunias up here are ones from last year. I think I got these from Thompson & Morgan. Looking amazing. Oh, I love this violet colour. The colours on that. Then we come down here, we have another opium poppy, Papaver somniferum, which was grown in toilet roll tubes then planted out. That's going to be amazing. And we come here, my clematis, still flowering its head off. So as soon as that's done flowering, I shall prune it back and I should flower again then. I'm going to show you these. These are my sweet peas. These smell absolutely divine. These are the first flowers on here. I absolutely love this one. Look at the colours on that. And the scent is amazing. Just sit on my little bench here. Got my Agapanthus up there. They're hybrid. That's a 3rd year, so they should flower now. Blue Agapanthus down here. The other one around the corner that I showed you earlier, called Queen Mum. That big white balls, about a metre high. Yeah, so really good. Just I sit here. I'm just scamming around at everything. I love just sitting here with a drink. I'm gonna pop on my e-cig. I know I shouldn't smoke, but never mind. Yeah, just chilling out in the morning. If you've got any questions about anything, about any of my videos, please message me and I'll get straight back to you. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And I'd just like to thank everybody for your support. It means a lot. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please give me a like and please subscribe. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. Bye.